You can expect a lot from the 2005 Nissan Altima. This four-door sedan has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, front and rear cup holders, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, and much more. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.